Hello, welcome back to AP Lit. To give you an update, I heard from 22 out of 30 tadpoles. We're still missing 8 people. So make sure if these people are, if you got their numbers, reach out to them, let them know that starting today they're going to be missing quiz grades if they don't check their phone. So if you could reach out to, or if you want to reach out to Nora, Chris, Vanessa, Majanique, Kenny, Imogen, Jairus, and Kyer, they still don't know about tadpoles, which is a real shame. Meanwhile, y'all are frogs. So today I'm uploading your quiz for part 4, your reading check for part 4. This is a little bit different from your last quizzes, and not just because we're doing it like this instead of me in front of you reading it off a PowerPoint. But there's only 5 questions, so each is worth 20 points. We're looking for full responses here. That means you need to cite evidence. That is on Google Forms. That'll be sent out with this video. In addition to that, I'm also sending you a link to a chat room where you should be answering discussion questions. I think this is the most fluid way we can do that without all of us trying to like zoom in or something and have a conversation with a bunch of video cameras, which is a little bit unwieldy. So I'm going to send you that link as well. So I've asked the first discussion question. So whoever responds to that one first, you answer the question above you, and then you ask another discussion question. Then whoever's after them will answer that discussion question, make their own discussion question, and so on and so forth down the line. That's today's assignment. The other thing is the quiz that you knew was coming before we even canceled school. So you have until midnight to do both of those assignments. So as of the second I'm recording this, you have 12 hours. I imagine you'll have roughly 11 hours and 50 minutes by the time it's uploaded to YouTube and I send it out to you. After I upload this, my plan is to start going through some of those grades I was telling you about yesterday, making sure those are as up to date as possible so that you guys aren't flipping out while you're home or your parents aren't flipping out at you about why you have zeros for these assignments. And realistically, I just haven't put anything in them yet. So I'm working on that as soon as I upload this video to give you more time on the quiz. Tomorrow, expect to take some notes on a few more rhetoric terms. You're going to be doing some sample sentences, sending those to my email. Keep reading part 5. Quizzes, reading checks, and that essay at the end with your partner are still going to be working the same way, even though we're not sitting in the classroom. So make sure you're following that schedule as well. That shouldn't really change fundamentally much at all, except how we interact with it when you're not reading. Also, make sure you're looking over your senior project books. You should all, for the most part, have those by now, with possibly one exception. Two exceptions. But do the best you can. If you didn't get a book, if you're one of those 2 people, try and find some good articles. I might try and send you some as well because it looks like the Delaware State Libraries are closed, so I won't be able to get those books in like I thought I would. Yeah, so TLDR, you have a quiz, you have a chat room question you need to answer, you need to do it by midnight. And you need to let your friends know that if they didn't send me the word tadpole, I need to make sure they know what's going on. So, yeah, I will hear from you in the chat room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Stay safe out there.